These are the Viaterra quick release strap hooks, a small addition to your motorcycle that can make a huge difference to luggage mounting convenience. So, what are the Viaterra quick release strap hooks? These are a set of two hard parts made out of premium steel that are designed and manufactured using computerized processes to ensure utmost precision. At the top of each piece, there is a hook that is wide enough to hold most luggage straps. This hook also has a small notch similar to what you may have seen previously on Viaterra's tail racks, which provides the quick release convenience of being able to slide a strap in or out of the hook without needing to thread the needle every single time. The hole at the bottom of each strap hook is used to mount, and there are ways which you can use this. The most useful option is to mount it on a fender or a similar part of the bike by drilling small holes on either side and securing it in place using the included mounting hardware. You can also use these by identifying a useful mounting point where the existing fastener is the same size as the mounting hole. Instead of the traditional heavier mounting points, we now have purpose-made hooks that deliver all the required functional convenience in a clean and efficient manner. We expect that those of you who ride ADV, MX or Enduro motorcycles will be able to see the utility of these strap hooks quite easily. But the truth is that they will probably come handy for many others as well. If you have been keeping stock parts on the bike solely for securing luggage straps, you can do away with them now. This is also particularly useful in cases where traditional mounting points don't provide the clearance needed to mount a bag securely. With these hooks, you can set up a mounting point that has adequate gap to be able to tension the luggage straps correctly. Now, if the sizes align, you could even use a set of these strap hooks to create quick release mounting points towards the front, where you would otherwise use the frame of the motorcycle too. Overall, the Viaterra quick release strap hooks are an extremely versatile product that offer an immediate functionality as well as a scope to innovate. So as more people start using them, we expect that some of you will find ways to use these strap hooks that will surprise you as well as us. A word of caution though, since these hooks are flush mounted, you should be aware that there could be some damage to paint at specific abrasion points. Let us know what you think of this new product and some ways in which you think it might be useful. If there is a specific type of luggage mounting issue that you've been facing, share it with us in the comment section below and we might be able to help you find a solution to that as well. And of course, if you're looking for a link to find out more about these quick release strap hooks, you'll find it in the description of this video. Thanks for watching.